knocking, I'll be ready, alright. With my fists up, ready to fight, but I ain't got to put my fists up every time.
You need actions when you got words.
And I ain't got to pull the heat like here we go. I ain't got to lose my head like years ago.
You need actions when you got words. I ain't afraid to get physical. It's just I hit harder when I spit on the verse. Cause I'm a sick spit, I spit so sick that it hurts. So sick of spitting, I can even spit in reverse. Still
7 digits, call up Bridget, her man's a midget. Plus she got fringe, yo, I can dig it. Here's a 40 swigget, you know it's frigid. I got him chillin' in the cooler, break out the ruler. Damn, that's the fattest dog I ever seen. The weather's keen in Cali, getting weeded makes it feel like Maui. Now we feel the good vibrations. So many females, so much inspiration. I get inspired by the blunts too. I'll front you, if you hang with a bunk crew. I roam the strip for bones to pick. When I find one, I'm gun. Take her home and quickly do this. I need not explain this. A plus is famous, so get the anus.
Hey miss, who's there? I'm through there, no time to do hair. The flicks at 8, so get straight. You look great, let's grub now. Or rub down some flavor later, there's the theater. We in the gut, the cinema was mediocre. Take it to the crib so I can stroke her. Kids get broke for their skins when I'm in close range. I throws game at your dip like handball, cause the man's all that, all that. I'm leading chill from 93 till.
yeah, this is how we chill from 93 till.
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 My black Tims do me well. When I see a fool and he says he heard me tell another person's busyness, I cause dizziness until you stop acting like a silly bitch.
Yo, crews are jealous cause we get props. The cops wanna stop our fun, but the top is where we're dwelling, swelling fat, no sleep. I work fitting jerks get their hoes sweet under their noses. This bro's quick to hit blunts and flip once I'm chilling cause my crew's close, kid. I'm posted, most kids accept this at school. I exit cause I'm an exception to the rule. I'm stepping to the cool spots where crews flock to snare a dip. Or see where the shit that's plan B, not as poppin'. So I got tins of endo and go to the open basement. My ace spin, fattening up tracks. Time to get prolific with the whiskey.
Greenbacks and stacks don't even ask. Who got the facts stacks? We can max pumping fat tracks. Exchanging facts about impacts, cause in facts my freestyle talent overpowers brothers can't hack. They lack wit. We got the max shit. 93 to infinity, kill all that wax shit.
This is how we chill from 93 till.
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 This is how we chill from 93 until.
This is how we chill from 93 I be cool. School's in session, but I'm fresh. Rapping, so I take time off to never rhyme. So I'm off on my own shit with my own clip. Rolling the back rows with a fat soul in blunt. Folding runs, holding stunts captive with my persona. Plus a bomber, that's 10. Niggas is testing my patience, but I stay fresh and resting at the mall. Attendance on door, but I am shopping for my winter exploits. A few fits, some new kicks. I often do this cause it's the pits not being dipped.
Flip the flyer, attire female desire. Baby, you can step to this if you admire the extraordinary dapper rapper. Keep tabs on your main squeeze before I tap.
I'm Macca, attacker with the smoothness. I do this, keep it what my crew gets. Loot, props, respect, and blunts to pass. Crews talk shit, but in my face they kiss my ass. They bite flows, but we make up new ones. If you really know why ain't you signed yet? But I get my loot from drives on, but I will find it. You will see, go down to the finish.
This is how we chill from 93 till.
This is how we chill from 93 till.
This is how we chill from 93 till.
Yeah, this is how we chill.
Put your lighters up, get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified. Come on and ride with us. Put your lighters up, get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified.
We are keep our peace dance on the same. East side and the west side come in. Yard man in the place, you know we ever clean. High grade flow through with bloodstream. The goons I'm out, the girls I'm out, we love the chemistry. We making money, fuck the guns, we don't want an enemy. Come make we do this till the morning until it touch dawning. Link up with me, our enemy.
Put your lighters up, get high. unified. Come on and ride with us, put your lighters up. Get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified. Ain't no dividing us, we choose the destiny. And we don't need no negative to get the best of me, yeah. Love and unity alone can't get to me. Or if a girl need me. So if you know a lot of love we spread, put your light up. Let me be a better day if you try and get up right to love. Ghetto you stop the war, make no shots, no buzz. Bust about, don't make the vibes turn up, yeah. Put your lighters up, yeah. Get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified. Come on and ride with us, put your lighters up. Get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified.
Together make each other, show love to one another. Every man feel live like brother. Unity is the strength, we make it better. Help a brother up the ladder. Love in every country and and popcorn, them don't get division. So we all can live in a one division. Go spread the news on the television. Put up your light and wave your hand. So
put your lighters up. Get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified. Come on and ride with us, put your lighters up. Get high with me, fly with me, ain't no dividing us. East side, west side, north side, south side, unified.
This one is about unity, you know? Holy God, Snoop Dogg.
Sun is shining, the weather is sweet, yeah. Make you wanna move your dancing feet.